Welcome to this course on Adobe Firefly, their AI tool that is going to revolutionize all of their apps, and specifically the website firefly.adobe.com, where you can do things very similar and even more advanced than other tools like Midjourney or DALL-E. Here I am on the Adobe Firefly website. It's still in beta and things change rapidly as I've learned using all of these AI tools. Currently, they have the options to turn text to image, generative fill, text effects, and generative recolor. So in the next lessons, I will show you how to use each of these tools. Thank you so much for being here. If there's anything I can do to make this class better, if there's something that I'm missing, please let me know. When Udemy prompts you to leave a review, please go ahead and do so. Whatever the review is, it helps me know what you like, don't like about the course, and it helps other students know if it's the right course for them. With that, let's head into text to image generation.